fix my eyes. Little bitch, that shit cost your life. Little bitch, that shit cost your life. God shit it like it got no price. Little bitch, that shit cost your life. Gosh. All right, so this is a test. I'm testing out my new GoPro, which has been anything but smooth lately, but I think it could work out. Man, it's like they always, like, you ever notice whenever they try to improve things, it's like they always add new features and new, like, just give me the same thing, but like make it better, but just give me the same thing. They always want to make it bigger and more, add more features and complicate it. It's like, man, just give me the same. Like my other one, my other one was nice and little. And I tell you, you've got to be a 300-pound gorilla just to get into the battery case. You can't get the thing open without I took a knife and I had to pop it open. And I ended up scratching some of the case. I mean, it's not a big deal, but it's like you cannot humanly. I mean, I got it to a point now where I can do it with my fingernails, but it's like why would they design it like that? You can't even get into the thing without, like, popping in. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway. Yeah, so it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit in my tripod here. Now what's going on? Oh, dude. Like,